apply on. Why is it a little fur in that? Maybe I would drop something. Okay, good. I did apply it. Good. All right, here for a 30 seconds on this one because I'm using the black bottle, which is the premium's I hold transfer foil. I really want to do that too, but we might wait until tomorrow. I have it ready here on the side for us. Get me alcohol. Oh.
The nail bar asked, are you doing the giveaway at the end of this live video?
Yeah. We're gonna announce the winners for giveaway the end of the live video. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure. Yes, it's gonna be exciting. I can't wait. All right, I'm gonna try to get all of them in here. And you can do however you would like, okay? However you like your image to be, you can do in the different colors.
Marisha Manicures asked, Nancy, when is the press-on contest over?
Marissa's is gonna be on the post. It's on the post. It say is Memorial Day sales. I believe it's gonna be end. I'm not gonna try to say a wrong date. I think it's 2 weeks from the Friday, so it might be. Can someone help? Can you check, please?
Sarah only said it.
Oh, okay, good. Sorry, because I wasn't in my phones right here, so then I don't want to give you the wrong date. But you have plenty of time. You have like 2 weeks. So give it a nice firm rub on and you transfer everything. I don't know, is anything with this?
Kelly asked, hi, can you reapply rhinestones or designs over a nail that already had top coat on?
Yes, you can still doing it if you have the top coat on. I really like this transfer foil though. So vibrant. Even though you don't put anything on yet, it still looks really good as I go with this nails. So great. So I'm gonna do some crystal on it. Do you think so? I will put some just little crystals on it. Or can just leave it alone and we call it good. Maybe I should put some crystal on it, see what I'm gonna play with this. Again, so I'm going to using condensed glue gels. And if you're first time using condensed glue gel, you're gonna notice that it's gonna be a little bit thick density, and make sure you're just using it enough. Like I'm watching Sarah and Vicky's, they did awesome techniques that they're placing. They know exact way they're placing it. But you know, when it's me, I always add more than I supposed to, and I like that. So I usually apply whole inside the nails. And to just make sure it's safe, because just in case I'm go out of my box, I don't have to worry that I don't have a condensed glue gel. But however, you know, if the client say, oh, okay, I want some crystal here and there, that's it. So then you know exactly what you're gonna do. So I'm gonna go next to no wipe top coat. And this no wipe top coat is gonna be floating on the top of condensed glue gel. So when you finish, you don't have to worry about go back and try to get the no white top coat between your crystal, which is gonna really more chance to touching in the crystals or contaminating, or it just cover the crystal, for instance, and it's gonna just reducing the shines and the sparkle of the cuts for the crystal. So this, and plus condensed glue gel, the no white top coat will help grab the base of the crystals and will keep it last really long time.
Bonnie said, I've been having trouble with the transfer foil. All of it doesn't stick.
which one did you using? If you're using the white, like if you're watching one of my tutorial, on Saturday, I did have the same troubleshooting. The reason it is because my lights, it wasn't charging properly, so then that's why I just like it was dead right before I go light, so I didn't charge it, so then that's why it didn't cure it properly though. So if it does like that, and make sure you apply enough amount of your transfer foil. Just don't floating or just apply really thin coat. You want to apply enough, so then it's gonna cure completely. Then you can place your transfer foil on. So it doesn't matter which one you're using. If you're using the other one's gonna take you a little bit longer, which is the white bottle. You take you it's 60 seconds, and if you're using the black bottle premium transfer foil, you can cure is in 30 seconds.
And I guess one more note you want to do on that. So make sure you keep it straight and don't have any crease in the middle. When you have that crease, it will not stick down. And give it a throughout rub and take a little more extra time. It always helps.
Bonnie said, can you give me a recommended UV or red light?
I'm currently using the Kira Sky. Sarah and Vicky, like Sarah using I think Oli, and Sarah using other, what is Sarah using? She said some of the other brand that she's using. It works great too, and we're watching her live video and she transfers, everything is amazing. It just doesn't affect anything at all. So I'm using Kira Sky. So I don't know, is a lot of you using a different one. It'd be great to hear is all different recommendation. So I have Kira Sky. I also have CND. I also have Oli and OPI too. So all different lamp. I try all different ones. So it works really great. Look at this. I'm gonna do more of this. How about that? Just make it a little bit fun. So excited, everyone. Thank you so much for like tuning in today. Okay, I think I'm good. But you can absolutely add more, or you don't have to add anything on it. I think it looks super cute.
Okay, for 60.
60 seconds, please. She's like, they're so cute. The butterfly is so vibrant though. I said, but what about this one? Should we do this one? I really want that. Look at that, you have the white butterflies. Like she's an angel butterflies. Oh, you know what? Should we do this one? So I'm so obsessed with this, like a lace gold.
Nailed by You asked, how can I be a brand ambassador for you?
Oh, that's a great question. Thank you so much. Could you able to email us at info@Glitz Accessories and such regarding to your inquiries? What is your name?
Like Sue.
Oh, what's it? Live speaking of a nail lamp.
Marva said, speaking of nail lamps, I'm legit pissed. My hubs ordered me a lamp for Mother's Day. He asked me which one I wanted.
Nailed it by Sue.
2 weeks.
Is that the question for Nailed It by Sue? Can you nailed it by Sue? Can you send us emails regarding to your inquiries, please? That'd be awesome. All right, so I'm gonna go in with precision glue. Even though I have just couple crystals neon here, but sometimes it's right here on the curve. It might have some like scratchy and the cracks right here. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna covers it so then it would not catching, not much, but I can feel it right here. If you feel you don't have any like scratchy, I think your nails will be, your crystal should be good, but it does. Don't hesitate to squeeze just a little bit, because each time you use, you're gonna use just a little bit. It's little go a long way. You can see that how I squeeze out just a small amount. You don't need a whole lot because you don't want to flood it your crystal. Also, you don't want to not having enough. I close the red caps on my side, so then that way I won't get the issues of spilling or clogging my needles. I'm using this twin tip brush and blend that nicely. And after that, this now we are going to cure this for 60 seconds, and this now gonna be beautiful done. You know what? I think it's cool. You can do like 2 little crystals in here as well. I think it looks cute. All right. Great. Thank you.